traditional Chinese fried eggs recipe. Customary Chinese eggs are followed back to the medieval times, where they had begun as a part of laborer food. By then, moderate cooking was notable in helpless areas since it was modest, filling, and could deal with numerous individuals at a solitary time. More than many years, this dish has progressed from laborer coast to customary breakfast dish. Today, this dish, specifically, is an adage for Chinese cooking. This formula sets aside little effort to plan and cook, so you don't need to put a lot of time in cooking. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Serving, 4. Ingredients. 1. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. 2. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. 3. Chopped tomatoes, 3 cups. 4. Cilantro, ½ cup. 5. Salt and pepper, to taste. 6. Minced ginger, ½ tablespoon. 7. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. 8. Chinese chili peppers, 3. 9. Eggs, 4. 10. Shallots, ½ cup. 11. Minced garlic, 1 teaspoon. Instructions. 1. Take a large saucepan. 2. Add the shallots and oil into the pan. 3. Cook the shallots and then add the ginger and garlic. 4. Cook the ginger and garlic well for about 2 minutes. 5. Add in the chopped tomatoes. 6. Stir fry the tomatoes well. 7. Add all the spices and the rest of the ingredients into the dish except the eggs. 8. When the tomatoes are cooked, then add the eggs. 9. Cover the saucepan for 5 minutes. 10. Flip the eggs to cook well. 11. Garnish the dish with cilantro. 12. Your dish is ready to be served.